Nebius Group reported third quarter financial results, and despite the positive figures and incredible growth numbers, the stock price is falling after the announcement. CoreWeave also experienced a similar decline in its share price after reporting quarterly financial results, and it's partly due to high investor expectations about these companies that are building out the infrastructure that supports the growth of artificial intelligence computing. So Nebius provided a few significant investor updates. Most notably, it said that it expects $7 to $9 billion in expected annualized revenue run rate by the end of 2026. Now, this doesn't mean that they expect to generate $7 or $9 billion of revenue in 2026. What this means is they expect to reach an annualized run rate, which means roughly $700 million in revenue by December of 2026, recurring revenue. And so if you annualize that, that'll bring you up to about the midpoint of this expectation here. So they expect to continuously increase their annualized revenue run rate or the recurring revenue to reach that point by the end of next year. They also updated their contracted power total. Previously announced they had 1 gigawatt expected. They now expect over 2.5 gigawatts. And Nebius echoed the sentiments that I've been hearing around all of the AI companies and those that are providing the computing for the support of this technology. They are sold out of all available capacity. Sold out. And several companies I don't hear them saying sold out, but it's similar, right? Amazon, Alphabet, Microsoft, these cloud service providers, they all told investors that demand exceeds supply. So it's kind of like saying it's sold out, right? But what they're actually saying is that demand exceeds supply. And Nebius Group is saying that they're sold out of all available capacity. And so you can understand why they're spending so much to build more capacity. Their adjusted EBITDA margin came in at 19%, but they generated a whopping 355% year-over-year revenue growth. Its core AI infrastructure business grew at 400% year-over-year. Of course, Nebius Group has other business segments, including AV Ride, which is driverless car technology, but the core of its business is the core AI infrastructure, and that's soaring. And I mentioned they're spending a lot of money to build this infrastructure, so they've secured funding $4.3 billion. Click the link below to watch the full video.